Now, when we are dealing with this pandemic situation, we must know what is the underlying pathogenesis behind this coronavirus. After it enters into the human body, how does it replicate and how does it basically enters the host cell? Now, the coronavirus is basically an RNA virus, and it enters the host cell cytoplasm and replicates in a particular manner. And we're just right now going through basically the basic replication techniques that this virus has. Now, the virion, it basically comes in contact. First of all, it basically gets into the extracytoplasmic space, and it gets in contact with the particular host cells. After that, it basically come in contact with the extrinsic factors and the ribosome frame shifting during the genome translation. It takes place. So these are the two methods that this coronavirus is going to take place. First of all, it is going to synchronize both the genomic and the subgenomic RNA species over here. These are the basic two methods over here. We're going to have the positive strand as well as we're going to have the negative strand over here. The virus polymerase, it comes into action, and when we get our hands over here, there is a negative strand as well as a positive strand. The ribosomes, they come into play and they get translated, and this is how it basically gets replicated in the host cells. This is the subgenomic RNA, and then it basically moves on, and it is basically forming the nucleocapsid over here. The normal size of the coronavirus is almost more than 30,000 nucleotides. So it's a big virus that we're dealing with over here. As you can see, it comes in close contact with the endoplasmic reticulum, and over here, it basically replicates. As you can even see over here, this is the diagrammatic representation of the replication. These are the positive strands, and it gets inside the endoplasmic reticulum. It gets replicated inside the endoplasmic reticulum and is released into the cytoplasm of the host cells. And after that, it gets into the extracellular space and it is released into the extracellular space. So one of the virus, it entered intracellularly, it got replicated into the endoplasmic reticulum, and then it was released into the extracellular space. This is how it got replicated. One of the things that you have to note down over here, that there is a self-replicating process. The frame shifting is very important over here, and both the genomic and the subgenomic RNA species, they get involved during this replicative process of the coronavirus. This is how it is basically replicated.